One of the things that can definitely help you do that and that can help you create more peace and balance in your day-to-day life, and it doesn't have to be difficult, it can just be like 5 to 10 minutes every day, is journaling. But as I said, some people just really don't know what to journal on. And I know this because this is a question that I get a lot. So I wanted to give you a very practical tip in case you are one of those people. So if you don't know what to journal on, try using the moon phases to guide you. Now, what I mean by that is every new moon and every full moon, I will sit down and I will journal, and I will actually journal a little bit more extensively, like beyond 5 to 10 minutes. Usually I schedule this in my calendar. I set aside about 1 hour every new moon, every full moon. So that means every 2 weeks, I sit